Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our English class. Today we have Unit 6 Palestinian Success Stories. Today we have period number 5, 6, and 7, and the pages, of course, 68, 69, and 70. So let's start with the first part, page 68. The text about stone, an ancient industry with great futures. Listen, everybody, and let's listen and read.
Period 5, Activity 3. Stone, an ancient industry with a great future. Some of the world's oldest cities were built in Palestine, and they were constructed with excellent stone. This building stone and also marble were cut by our ancestors from the Holy Land itself. Today, the stone industry remains very important. With its beautiful colors and excellent quality, Palestinian stone is often preferred by architects round the world. Stone was not always produced as efficiently as it is now. In ancient times, it was very difficult to cut stone. Everything was done by hand, and it was slow, hard work. Now, however, technology has come to the rescue, and finished stone is produced very efficiently. Over 60% of the 262 quarries are near Hebron and Bethlehem. The stone is then cut and finished by 15,000 workers in 618 factories, and many of these are also in the same area. However, quarries are found in other places too, and there are factories everywhere. Together, they produce 4.5% of the world's building stone. They also make $450 million a year for Palestine, and they provide over 22,000 jobs. The world stone industry is growing at 9% a year. And with our natural advantages, we can raise Palestinian production even faster. But to do this, we need to learn more about different needs around the world. The industry is therefore studying world markets carefully. If it can continue to grow, it will bring Palestine a lot more jobs and money.
Good. So we have some words we need to focus on. Ancestors. What is the opposite of ancestors? Yeah, it is children. What the opposite of important and important? Also here we have what the opposite of difficult, easy, and what is the same meaning, the synonyms of difficult, it's hard. Slow, what is the opposite? Quick. And also here hard is the same as difficult, the same meaning as difficult, and the opposite is easy. Advantages, what is the advantages? What is the opposite of advantages? Disadvantages. Carefully, what is the opposite? Carelessly. And continue, what is the synonym or the same meaning? Is go on.
Period 5.
Now, after listen to the text, listen, here we have exercise number 2. Read and mark the statements true or false. Number 1. Stone from other countries was used for building in Palestine in ancient times. Yeah, of course not. Number 2. Technology has made stone production a little more efficient than it used to be. Of course not. Number 3, the Hebron and Bethlehem areas are the biggest centers of stone production. Yes, of course. And over 22,000 people work in the inquiries of Palestine. Actually, yes. Number 5, The writer believes that Palestinian stone production can grow faster than production in other parts of the world. Yes, of course. Now, let's come to page 69, period number 6. We have exercise number 3. In exercise number 3, read the passage again and do these tasks. Say what the underlined word refer to. On line 7, everything was done by hand. Everything was done by hand. What is done by hand? Yes, of course. All the activities that are part of the query's stone. Number 2. In line 10, and many of these are also in the same area. The same area, which is area? In the area of queries. Number 3, on line 12, they also make $450 million. They, who are they? Of course, the queries and factories. Line 14, we can raise Palestinian production even faster. What was even faster? Faster referred to at more than 9% a year. On line 16, if it can continue to grow, it here referred to what? To the Palestinian stone industry. If Palestinian stone industry can continue to grow, it becomes world. It solves many problems. Now, let's continue the same page 69, and we have the next part of the lesson. Now, say what the underlined word or phrases mean. On line 5, Palestinian stone is often preferred by architects. It means all the architects like it more than any other types of stone. On line 7, technology has come to the rescue. Rescue what? Come to the rescue? It means has provided solution. Number 3, line 8, finished stone is produced by efficiently. Is produced very efficiently. It means finished stone. It means cutting of the stone that is ready to use and cut to buildings. On line 11, queries are found in other places too. Okay, we can find queries in other places. Like what? Are found. What's the meaning of are found? It means there are queries in different parts of Palestine. On line 16, the industry is therefore studying world markets carefully. It means world market carefully. It means places where Palestinian stone can be sold around the world. When you come to the next page, page 70, here in this page we are talking about school subject. Walk in pairs, discuss your school subject. Do you like your school subject? How many school subjects do you have? How many provides week you have each subject? Say which 3 subjects do you like best. We have the first one, number 1, Arabic, art and crafts, English, geography, history, IT, maths, PE, religion, and the last one is science. Which of school subject do you like it more? Which of your school subject you don't like? Which of these school subjects you prefer? Tell me now. You can write whatever you want. You can say whatever you want. Write about your school subject. How many school subjects do you have in a day? Okay, all these sentences can be say in this exercise. Now, when we come to the next exercise, write your next school report and do the task. Here we have subject and comment, subject and comment. Copy and complete the top of the report. Choose 4 school subjects from activity 1, as we said, and choose 4 different comments that bridge teacher teachers often write. Remember, tell the truth about yourself. For example, could do better, has a natural fear for the subject, has been trying hard, is doing good work, is doing much better, must produce work at the right time, needs to work faster, should try harder, well done, very good work. Now give me 4 school subjects and give me what is your point of view, what is your comment about yourself on each subject. For example, for myself, I have science, Arabic, English, and geography. Okay, for example, with geography I could do better, okay, because I didn't study well. Has natural feel about the subject. This is English. I have a natural feel about the subject. Should try harder. I can put it as a comment to Arabic. Should try harder. Needs to work faster. This is, I can use it for IT. I can use it for math. Well done, very good work. I can put it with English lesson or English subject. So it's up to you, everybody, to write any comment to any subject, but please be careful and say the truth. Here we have a school report. Write family name, write your name, first name, and date of birth. And here we have a school year, which grade you are in, teacher, which your teacher, and the subject, for example, math, and your teacher is Mr. Yasser. Comment, for example, I could do better. Yeah, this is I could do better. Or you can say, is doing a very good job. I'm doing good in my lesson. I had been trying hard. Okay, up to you. Now we come to the last exercise. Exercise number 3. Match the sentences to the meanings. Number the sentences 1 to 4. Now here we have a part of dictionary, okay, and we have the word buy. Buy. With buy we have 4 meanings. We have 4 meanings about buy. The first one is buy is a preposition and adverb. Number 1, saying who or what does something. For example, she was helped by her friends. She was helped by her friends. So by here it comes to say who or what does something. Number 2, saying how something is done. For example, I contacted her by email. So we use by to say how I contacted her by email. Number 3, by it comes as a meaning of before, not later than a certain time or date. For example, we must finish the job by 3 o'clock. It means before o'clock, before 3 o'clock. Number 4, next to her, it means next to or near someone or something. For example, she stood by the window and looked out. By the window, it means near the window or next to the window. Now also here we have 4 sentences and we have to check what is the meaning of by in each sentence. Is it number 1, 2, 3, 4? Let's say they used to cut the stone by hand, by using their hand. Which one? Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it's done by number 2. They went to the airport by hand using the car. This is 2. And number 3, the second one, we must put some flowers by the bed, beside the bed. What is the meaning or which beside the bed? It means number 4, next to or near. Let's walk by the river, beside the river. This is number 4, next to or near. And the last one, number 3, I'll be in New York by this time tomorrow. By this time tomorrow, it means it means before the exact time. By the age of 4, she could read. By here, it means at the same time, at the age of 4, she could read. Number 1, this is the last one. This stone was cut by our ancestors. It means by our ancestors, it means who does the action? By our ancestors. Palestinian stone is produced by architect. It means the architects use it. So we come to the end of our lesson, everybody. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Goodbye.